what do you know about accounting entries? For example, I created a PO for 10
Okay.
quantity and 100 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm doing goods receipt of 5 quantity. What are the accounting entries?
Accounting entries.
10 quantity, 100 rupees. You can note
Okay.
down on it.
Okay.
10 quantity, 100 rupees.
Okay.
I received only 5 pieces.
Okay. Then 50 rupees.
What
Okay.
will be the accounting entries?
So BS6 stock account 50 debit
Mhm.
and GRIR 50 credit.
Okay. During invoice receipt,
During invoice receipt, GRIR WRX debit, then uh, vendor account uh, credit.
50 credit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's correct. Okay, now I have 5% is no confusion. 10% is tax I have.
Okay.
Okay, now tell me the accounting entries during invoice receipt.
10% of tax.
Tax.
Okay.
I have input tax, maybe
O-
VAT, whatever.
okay, 10%. So the accounting entries in GR. Then
No, GR will be same because account tax will be given an invoice receipt.
okay.
So GR wise no changes. I'm
Okay.
asking about accounting entries at invoice.
So in invoice, the GRIR, I mean tax clearing account and account will hit. So
Yeah, just tell me the accounting entries.
okay. So tax clearing the debit, then vendor account credit.
Yeah, you just tell me in amounts.
Okay. So tax clearing 10%. So that will be uh, debit. Then 10% debit tax clearing, and the vendor account is same, right? Vendor account 50 credit.
Okay, I think just I'll tell you small logic how to handle this kind of thing.
Okay.
You have to, in a way that you are going to pay total with tax to the vendor.
Yes.
That is one basic principle. Second point, during goods receipt, the GRIR was credit for 50 rupees. So that when you create invoice receipt, 100% GRIR should be 50 debit. You just write that on paper. 50
Okay.
debit GRIR, no changes for that.
Okay.
Okay, you got 50 debit.
Okay.
Second concept, what I am telling, total amount we pay to the vendor.
Okay.
Okay, later you will take the credit from vendor or any kind of, you will get the tax refund. Those are all secondary. So you are going to pay total amount to the vendor. So on paper, you already have GRIR 50 debit, and you are going to pay total amount 55 rupees to vendor. So vendor 55 credit.
Okay.
Okay. So finally, what is remaining? Input tax.
Yes.
Input tax 5 rupees debit, because 55 minus 50 plus is there. So
Okay.
remaining tax will be 5 plus.
Okay.
So minus 55 and plus 50 and plus 5. So total nullify 0.
Okay.
So how I have derived? You don't have to by heart. 2 points only remember. Whatever GRIR is getting credited during goods receipt, for that I have to get an opposite entry here. So 50 GRIR debit. Okay. I have to pay total amount to vendor. So vendor 55 credit.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
55 minus is there, 50 plus is there. So my
Yes.
input tax is 5 plus.
Yes. Okay.
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 You try to get these kind of basic things. When I receive, stock is getting increased. So stock account is debit, positive.
Okay.
Okay. So GRIR is negative,
Okay.
credit. like how you can derive it. You can watch my video, how to remember this accounting entries. I explained these some of the tips.
Okay.
So that even still you are answering very well. That I have to appreciate. You are answering with very clear.